अंधेरे से डर नहीं लगता साहब,
Horror
horror से
से
लगता
लगता
है. That's fab. That's fab. The
True.
trailer is out, and these stories are important because not just will they scare the daylights out of you, Andhera. So, is that a reason why you would be a part of this show, Prajakta? Let's start with that.
100%. I have watched whatever horror shows, series, whatever I've watched. I've always watched in the day on mute with subtitles.
They told me not to audition for it because I'm not suiting the character, though they called me for it. But they said that, okay, if you can come again with specs on, then we can test you.
Okay.
Action hua, my whole scene got done. Cut pe the light went off again.
What? You wake up one morning and realize that suddenly your following has doubled.
डर क्यों लगे ऐसे?
A situation is that you wake up one morning and you realize that you're not famous anymore. That means you walk out and no one recognizes you. What does that scare you? You know, I'm a big bhattu because मुझसे तो नहीं देखे जाते ये shows. And that's why I think that there needs to be a reason, a compelling enough reason for you to get into a show which is a genre that naturally is not yours. And in this show, Andhera, that drops on Prime Video on the 14th of August, I have at least two reasons. Yeah. That's Prajakta Kohli and Prajakta Kohli. Okay.
Nice.
Karan, the only reason why I haven't taken your name as yet is because this is the first time that we're actually interacting. And the same with you, Gaurav. But having said that, I promise not to be partial. Congratulations.
Thank
Thank
you.
The trailer is out, and let me start off by saying that Prime Video has this crazy commitment to, telling these stories. And these stories are important because not just will they scare the daylights out of you, Andhera. It's literally. But also, I find it fascinating how there are women at the center of these narratives.
Right.
So whether it's Chori or whether it's Khauf and now Andhera. So I don't know who can take that, but that's another reason why I would watch this show. So is that a reason why you would be a part of this show, Prajakta? Let's start with that.
100%. I mean, I remember when this came to me for the first time. First, though, I was very kind of happy that something so different, like a character so different, has even come to me. Because I've been doing everything in the whole, like, romance, fun,
Right.
and then suddenly you're a paranormal investigator and there's so much happening. That was number one, where I was like, oh, okay, this is really interesting. And number two, same. कि मेरे से नहीं देखा जाता है, मैं बहुत फट्टू हूँ.
क्या बात है?
मेरे से बिल्कुल नहीं देखा जाता है. Like, I have watched whatever horror shows, series, whatever I've watched, I've always watched in the day on mute with subtitles. I feel like because the audio is more scary.
That's what brings
You
the
know?
scares, yes.
So I have always been so I was like, this will be a great challenge. Also, the fact that this story doesn't come from just a place of like it's not just jump scares. I love the whole folklore side of things, like legend, fantasy, mythology side of things that come into it. So that was one of the reasons. And then, of course, the fact that it's led by characters that are women.
Yeah.
And I thought that was amazing.
Yeah, thank you so much for that. For you?
It comes with an entire package, starting with Prajakta Kohli.
I love this.
मुझे बताओ कि तुम्हें पहले पता था कि बाकी कास्ट कौन है?
नहीं, actually नहीं पता था. To be honest, when I went for the audition, they told me not to audition for it because I'm not suiting the character, though they called me for it. But they said that, okay, if you can come again with specs on, then we can test you.
Okay.
Luckily, where I used to stay at that time, it wasn't far from the office. So I quickly went, got a pair of specs and came back. And then they were like, now you can
Then
test.
they saw
Then
Then we
Okay.
saw him. Yeah.
And so it was the most unexpected way of auditioning, first of all, because I was outrightly rejected the first time. I think the spec saved me.
That's interesting.
So, and then of course, then you have the course of action where we met for the first time and we had our second round of auditions. But what blew my mind away was the first time when I read the first 2 or 3 episodes. And I forgot about the acting process, what we're going to do in between. I just wanted to watch the show. So with this show, it was actually going backwards. Where what would I want to, because now I know what this is gonna look like, at least what it seems like on paper. तो फिर मुझे ये था कि यार मैं बस अपना बेस्ट दे सकूं, जो स्क्रिप्ट में जस्टिफाई जो हो रहा है उसको कर सकूं.
It's lovely.
तो
क्यों रिजेक्ट किया था आपने इसे बिना चश्मों के? पहले ये बताएं.
मैंने किया ही नहीं था रिजेक्ट इसे.
अच्छा.
I don't know who told him that, but I'm sure it must be the casting agent or something.
नहीं, he wasn't.
I think he was trying to push him more to get a better performance out of him.
Yeah. Talk to me about the intersection, Gaurav, of women and horror, because I think that women and horror traditionally in Indian cinema were always looked at as this sort of titillating,
Yeah.
you know, exciting, you know, bathroom के अंदर एक
Yeah.
लड़की नहा रही है, right? But we've come a long way from that. And
God.
the horrors, it's just so poetic because the horrors could be fantasized, like we are doing today, you know, in our series. But they also exist. So is that an interesting premise for you?
Yeah, and what in fact happens is that I feel at the end of it all, every horror, the source is very real. See, the way we view it and the way we present it might be in terms of fictionalized or whatever, but it comes from a very real place. And I think what I'm seeing now, in fact, you know, even the stuff that has been made recently, you are seeing women characters that have been etched with a lot of agency, and more importantly, especially in case of Andhera, what happens is you'll realize that is the women characters are driving the story in many places because they are the ones who are sort of standing up and battling the odds
Investigating.
against them.
The odds
and
against them.
things,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know.
yeah.
So I think it may have been that way, but I'm glad that things are changing, and I'm glad that we are a part of that change. So
अंधेरे से डर लगता है था.
अंधेरे से नहीं डर लगता है.
ओहो.
हाँ, मुझे अकेले रहना बहुत पसंद है, अंधेरा बहुत पसंद है, डिम लाइट पे माहौल बना रहे. पर हॉरर से
हॉरर से
बहुत डर
अंधेरे से डर नहीं लगता साहब, हॉरर से लगता है. That's fab. That's fab. No, because I just feel like, you know, we grew up, especially in India, you know, not making friends with andhera, you know, and especially I think there's so much to it because every time I watched your trailer, I realized that for women it's also अंधेरी गलियों से मत गुजरो. कुछ तो शहरों में लड़कों को भी कहा जाता है तुम भी मत गुजरो because the dark has such a mysterious power. And I love the fact that you have made Mumbai Gotham because है ना, क्या कर रही है, अंधेरा खा रहा लोगों को. थैंक्स यार. खत्म. कोई भी लाइट अपने electricity bills in India are going to go off the roof. Thanks to you realize what you've done, right?
and it was very intentional, honestly, because we wanted see the horror of the show. We wanted something that is as relatable as possible, and that's the thing. As you said, in fact, you were absolutely right. Even while growing up, the first, you know, when people used to tell you go get that thing from the room, and when I was a kid, my whole struggle was that, oh my god, my hand does not reach the switchboard, so I had to literally go in, get that thing, come back before the andhera nabs me, you know. And I think somewhere that kind of shows through now.
So I have a strange fear that we must talk about, okay? In अंधेरे से डर नहीं लगता, but there is a split second when you're washing your face.
Oh yeah. Okay, you say then I'll say.
आप
And if it's the
आप
same, I'll
चेहरे
be
पे
very.
साबुन लगाते हो तो आपको कुछ दिखता नहीं है, okay? Then you splash water, and then when you open your eyes, my fear is somebody is going to be standing in the mirror.
You know what? Mine is so similar. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि while I'm washing my face, someone's watching me in the mirror.
What is this about? What have we watched growing up, both of us?
Clearly a
मेरा होता है,
lot.
मैं जब खुलता है खुद को देखता हूँ तो मेरे को तब डर लगता है.
But what is a fear that each of you have had to overcome as actors, you know, in your personal life or professionally, that has taken you some time?
Mine is not so physical. I think with me, when I started acting, tab tak I was so comfortable in the whole creator space, and I was so used to generating work for myself. That when I started acting and I started realizing कि अगर auditions नहीं आ रहे हैं तो अगले 4 महीने के लिए मेरे पास शायद कोई काम नहीं है. So this unpredictability of like just uncertainty of this was very scary to me in the beginning. क्योंकि this was about 6-7 years into me creating content, and then this whole new world opened up, and these opportunities started coming up. But then there was a time where I was not getting any audition calls. I had absolutely no leads to anything. I was rapping something I was doing with absolutely no plans for the next year. तो वो मुझे बहुत उससे डर लगता था. And अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत lineups हैं. अभी ऐसा है कि I've overcome that. Like I've kind of made my peace with that uncertainty, and I'm okay with it.
Good job, P.
Good job, P.
Good job, P. My God, it's very stressful.
Yeah. मुझे तो एक्टिंग से डर लगता था एंड
अरे?
दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई आई वांटेड टू एक्सप्लोर इट बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग थिएटर इन दिल्ली. मैंने प्रोडक्शन से स्टार्ट किया था, तो मैं बैक स्टेज में बस लोगों को ऑब्जर्व करता था कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं. इज इट जस्ट अबाउट सेइंग द लाइंस, इज इट अबाउट मेकिंग फेसेस. तो यू नो आई यूज्ड टू, मुझे बहुत स्टेज फ्राइट था एक्चुअली, तो मैं पीछे रहता था जस्ट टू ऑब्जर्व. फिर वो होता है ना, आपकी क्यूरियोसिटी बिल्ड होती है अबाउट समथिंग. सो देन आई डिड लाइक अ स्मॉल, मतलब एक ऐड किया था. फिर धीरे 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 करके यू नो वंस यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग द हैंग ऑफ इट, वो जब वो डर शेड हो रहा होता है ना आपकी बॉडी से, आपके सोल से, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. फिर धीरे 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 समझ में आया क्या प्रोसेस है, हाउ टू यू नो अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द स्क्रिप्ट इज टेलिंग यू, व्हाट द कैरेक्टर इज अबाउट.
Okay.
सो एक काफी टाइम लग गया मुझे समझने में.
I was expecting answers like rats, but anyway.
Nobody do people like rats?
You know, only when he's sitting near Ganesha.
Oh, of
Then I'm
course.
like so cute.
Yes.
Of course.
But अगर मेरी जिंदगी में, and I have so many stories, guys. But this is not about me.
Or about rats.
Or about that. But anything in that zone, like you know, creepy crawlies, like something like that.
मैं तो आज तक लाइट के बगैर सो नहीं पाता हूँ.
So cute.
एक छोटी सी लैम्प हमेशा जली होती है.
Aw.
मैं अंधेरा, मैं सो ही नहीं पाता हूँ
खा
अंधेरे
जाएगा.
में.
अंधेरा खा जाएगा.
Yeah, and especially तो कभी-कभी मैं full light, if I'm going to a hotel or you know I'm staying at a place जहाँ मैं पहले नहीं
That
गया हूँ.
haunted hotel.
हाँ, something like that. तो उसमें तो मैं पूरी लाइट ऑन करके सोता हूँ, फिर तो लैम्प भी नहीं होती है full.
Did you have fun scaring them on set at all?
Absolutely.
Oh,
That was
when?
half the
When?
thing.
When?
Him, he was scared all the time. Every time I would give him a new mammoth scene, he would be
Oh,
scared.
like that.
अच्छा वैसे
Yeah. No, but in this thing also, I don't think we ever had, apart from the knocks on the vanity.
Yeah, there were knocks.
There
on
was
the-
knocks on the vanity, and do you remember this one scene we were shooting? I think it was just me when we were shooting that bit where वो trailer में भी है कि मैं अपने live stream पे बात कर रही हूँ about all these legends. You remember
Yes,
that?
yes. Yeah.
So every time Raghav sir would say action, there was one light on top that would go off. ऐसा 2-3 बार हुआ.
Yes.
And then Raghav says like, yeah, what is happening, yaar? How come and Chang was also like,
Yeah, he was baffled.
yeah, he was like, what is happening? What is so Chang has gone, who's our cinematographer DOP. He's gone to that board of light to check what is happening. And then he fixed it. He's like, आप करो roll, मैं इधर ही खड़ा हूँ. So it started. Action हुआ, my whole scene got done. Cut पे the light went off again.
What? Like
Weird.
And we were shooting in Warsaw.
Yeah.
Yes.
That house.
And that house, anyway, so that was the 100th year of that house.
Oh,
so you
wow.
can imagine.
Maybe there
so
was a
it's very
reunion
old place.
happening that we
Yeah,
didn't know
celebrate
about.
कर रहे थे.
crazy.
Yes.
What really scares you guys? I'm going to throw a few of these situations at you because you're like actors and you're going to tell me कि डर लगता है कि नहीं लगता है, ठीक है? You wake up one morning and you realize that you have no followers on Instagram.
Can we get some emergency services?
नहीं लगता है, obviously लगता है.
Really?
हाँ.
Really?
मतलब हाँ.
Okay. You wake up one morning and realize that suddenly your following has doubled.
डर क्यों लगे ऐसे?
मैं तो
वो
बहुत
डर
डर
के आगे
जाऊँ।
जीत मिल गई है.
मैं तो डर जाऊं बिकॉज मैं बोली कौन सी फोटो जो गई है
किसने लीक किया?
you bump into somebody and they're wearing the exact same thing as you are at an award function.
उससे डर नहीं लगता. No.
तो कोई बुलाएगा पहले अवार्ड फंक्शन में, फिर देखता हूँ मैं जाकर कैसा लगता है.
I wish that happens for you this year.
I hope so.
And I hope nobody's wearing what you're wearing. है ना? You wake up one morning and you realize that you have to deal with a script that you have to go on set and deliver that day. But तुमसे लाइनें नहीं रट पा रही.
इसका मुझे डर नहीं है क्योंकि
Good student?
good mugger upper.
अच्छा.
Not good student.
अच्छा.
मैंने तो maths के problems भी रट के करे because I was so bad at maths. I would remember what the problem looks like. Like I have that memory.
Right.
So मुझे steps के marks मिलते थे and that is how I've cleared maths. मेरे सारे answers wrong होते थे. So I'm very good at mugging up. So this will not scare.
सेम मेरा एंड अब जब इतने ऑडिशंस देते हो तो आपको आदत सी हो जाती है बिकॉज समटाइम्स दे गिव यू द स्क्रिप्ट ऑन जस्ट
On
राइट
the day,
बिफोर
yeah.
शूटिंग
Oh my God, yeah.
तो आपको मतलब वो जब सब लर्न कर रहे होते हैं बाहर तो एक आपका माइंड मसल कनेक्शन बन जाता है एंड मेरी भी मैथ अजीब ही थी तो रट्टाफिकेशन में मैं भी बहुत आ गया
Ratification. I never expected this conversation today, but
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
fun.
हाँ,
So
वो-
many subjects.
yeah.
Even in French grammar, में I used to remember what like the words look like.
like.
हाँ.
Look
Like
like, yeah,
OUS send हो रहा है तो EZ send हो रहा है तो ऐसे I used to remember, and that's how I've cleared school.
Have you ever had a moment where you've been afraid to act with someone?
Yes, many.
Really?
Many. I was terrified on day one of Jug Jug Jio because my first scene was with the whole family. So there was VD, there was Anil Sir, Neetu ma'am, Kiara, all of us were there. I was very scared. I'm always very nervous on first days of all projects. I was nervous on this one. So that constantly stays.
Same when I was shooting selection day. So there's Ratna Pathak Shah in front of me. There's
Oh
Mahesh
my
Manjrekar.
God.
There's Rajesh Telang, and then there's me. So, and my first scene is with all three of them. So I'm like, okay, how do I navigate this? कहाँ से start करूँ मैं? तो हर direction से मुझे nervousness feel हो रही थी उस time.
You wake up. Congratulations on being the only creator who made it to Time 100 Creators of the World. I think that's amazing.
Thank you.
That's quite something.
Thank you.
A situation is that you wake up one morning and you realize that you're not famous anymore. That means you walk out and no one recognizes you. Does that scare you?
No, I feel like that's very much a possibility. Yeah. I mean, in general, amnesia online is so much. Like, you are there 1 second, you're gone. I mean, we could be doing work for years and years, but it won't take time for your audience to forget you and move on. And that I don't think that comes from a place of isko chodo aage jao. I think we're just in a lovely place where there's so much content and there's so much to consume. And fair enough. So it doesn't scare me. In fact, I think it's very much a possibility that it could happen.
It could happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, like similarly, when selection day came out, there were a lot of school kids who were especially into cricket. You know, they used to come up to me and they wanted me to autograph their bats as if I'm actually a cricketer, but I wasn't. So that broke their heart somewhere. But slowly, when the show becomes older, then अलग चीजें आती हैं. But वो जो एक young adult का that charm of connecting with them, that happens in very few shows. Like when you connect with kids, when you connect with people who are still going to school. तो but वो change होता रहता है. When like Prajakta said, when new content comes in,
Yeah.
when new content in that same space comes in.
Yeah.
So then you get used to it. You're like, अच्छा जब अंधेरा आएगा फिर देखते हैं क्या होता है.
I also think it's a very natural course of things
Yeah.
in general. I mean, one of the reasons why no matter what happens, I do not want to, but also cannot afford to stop uploading videos on YouTube is because I realize that all my opportunities stem from there and I need that community to keep going because if it wasn't for them, none of this would come through to me.
100%.
So I think it depends on how you work with it. But like there are so many creators that I miss. I'm so happy that Jasreen is back with content, dude. I used to be obsessed with him and then he just went missing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then another, which is again a very strange reaction. Like the other day I was talking to my cousins. They're about 13, 14. They didn't know who Daniel Radcliffe is.
Oh.
I had to say Harry Potter and that's how they knew
That's how they
him.
knew.
But because Daniel Radcliffe never came on socials.
Oh my God.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
So if you can forget Daniel Radcliffe, you can forget as in we won't obviously. He was the first love of my life.
Gaurav, I want to take this back to you. What is it that you'd like for the audiences to take away from a series like this? Because I know that it's very interesting in its premise. While you'll bring people in.
Right.
But when they're on their way out,
Right.
what is it that you want them to take away from this show?
That's such a good question.
Yeah, and it's also a tricky one in terms of I don't want to give out any spoilers, but apart from being entertained and kind of engaged in the whole this thing, because that's one thing we've ensured that it's not just the start or like bringing them in, but keeping them through this thing, and then one thing that the show does bring about, and this is actually true about a lot of horror content, and something that we miss is that these are actually also flag bearers of hope, like hope in the darkest places, hope in the
lovely.
darkest times. and in that sense they're very empowering. So I hope that element also kind of people take away with them, because we've tried to keep it as real and to that the emotional aspect of it as possible.
Yeah, thank you so much for that. The two of you, of course, have had time to bond even off screen. There was a reel that you all might have taken a lot to practice, where you all did this.
The dance.
Yes.
He took a
Yes.
long
No,
time
no.
to practice, and he's the dancer.
Oh no, she's the dancer, and
I am the dancer.
matlab you
Prajakta is the
bachpan se
face
to-
dancer.
Ah, he is
ये
dancer,
Prajakta is
dancer.
Govinda Manovan. कि गोविंदा को nobody is looking at Govinda's body. They were
That's
looking at Govinda's face
Face.
because वो यहाँ से नाचते हैं. That's the quality I've always
Yeah.
like. I only look at your expressions. It's so fun when you.
But
dance.
he's like trained and he teaches.
No,
and
but
stuff.
I was
He
also
used
looking
to.
at her expressions. That's why I was missing my
You're
steps
forgetting.
because हम शीशे के सामने कर रहे थे. That's
were
the reason
intimidated.
why I was I was like I have to keep up with her.
Yeah,
No,
it
but
was-
honestly those steps were a little complicated. But I did it. I did it well.
You all
only.
look very cute.
It
Yeah.
was also one of those long night shifts. We did a
Yeah.
lot of night shifts, obviously, on the show.
Of course.
Yes.
So it was one of those.
Last question, and this is just for fun. Do you think Andheri is called Andheri? I'm just kidding. Guys,
No, this was my answer. We did a podcast. Someone asked me if there was a horror movie made on your life, what would you call it? I said Andheri West. Tell, where's the lie?
where is the lie, really, guys? Really, guys. See, because your show is Mumbai. See, she's promoting it in everything.
Everywhere.
This is amazing. This is amazing. Having said that, I just want to say you've actually made me want to watch it. And that's huge for me because as I said, I get very scared. So, और मैं झूठ नहीं बोल सकती मैं अपनी audience को. But it looks like a really promising show, and that's why I'll be watching. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and I hope you have a great day of promos ahead.
Thanks, Rosie.
Thank you so much. It was so much fun.